I like to do resin projects, and we're trying out a new resin, and this is how it ships. Pretty nice box. Open it up here. I always like to be careful when opening up resin, of course. I got plenty of room at the top here. Your instructions at top. This is from Gilly. Looks like we got some large garbage bags, maybe a drop cloth. That's pretty nice. This is a whole set. We've got measuring cups, and these are have increments on both sides. They're clear, and these are soft enough that it once a lot of the resins cure in here, you can just kind of squish the cup and reuse it over and over. There's also some smaller ones in here that are small beakers that also have increments on the side for measuring. Very handy to have a bunch of those. We've got some gloves, always a good idea. One of my favorite things to have is a pump when you're using 2-part room temperature epoxies and resins, and these have little things at the end there. That's really clever. I haven't seen anybody include those before. I like that. That's a nice touch. We've got a scraper here. It's going to be handy. A couple other tools. Got an apron. That's nice. That's actually the first time I've seen an apron included. Oh, there's all kinds of more tools in here. A couple of more aprons. Actually, a bunch more aprons. That's neat. Another scraper. Of course, important to have mixers. Got a bunch of sticks in there for mixers. This is 2 40-ounce containers, and this is room temperature 2-part epoxy resin. And you've got your resin and your hardener. 1-to-1, they say right on there, A to B to B, 1-to-1. You got 40 ounces of each, it's 80 ounces altogether. You'll unscrew the caps, screw in these pumps. This way you can do 1 pump per, easy to measure, into these cups. Now the time on this one is a 40-minute work time. Really like the labels that Sevgili has on these. Self-leveling, crystal clear, that's good to know. And no VOCs and low odor. Really looking forward to using these epoxies. Want to thank them for sending us these to check out. I hope this helps.